So yesterday we had a really strong day. Just wanted to mention that I'm subscribing to a newsletter, and this guy mentioned two resistance zones. I mean three, but we hit the first one early on and the second one near the end, so he was spot on with them. So for today, some support is here, which is also previous high, and some resistance is here. And in my own work, let's just check SPX. So we are near all-time highs. Maybe after hours we tagged it, or not. The movie wasn't that strong. But let's just quickly look at the what options market said about last move. So yesterday we tagged the zone that I marked on Friday. 38 was one standard deviation higher from Friday's close, give or take, and surprisingly also second standard deviation of Bollinger Bands was tagged in the overnight. Let's see how this ends up. For today, the range high is 61, the range low is 61.04, 28 points if I'm not mistaken, and we are quite high. We broke one time frame on the daily, and I thought that this, well, my own trading was really poor yesterday, so I missed the trade here. I didn't get long, and it was really frustrating for me. I also didn't get long here, which was my initial, another idea, because we had this bulge of highs and like a base for this breakout, so I would enter long here, but I missed it, so I revenge shorted the market, and I got it right around here. I exited some on the way down, and I didn't exit on the way up, so I took a big loss, but also mentally it was draining and really not good day for me. So let's think of what can transpire today. As of the references, I'm sure about this overnight low, but I can add it as a small stop. Another would be yesterday's lows. Maybe more important than previous day's high would be this low, and the spike base. And I can leave this previous high here, but no, let's not. Let's wait for the overnight to finish. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And okay, so now we had early on some follow through after the spike, and now we are seeing some weakness. Just a second. So when it comes to potential ideas and levels that I'm interested, well, going long here would be nice. So 61.14, maybe then again around here, if we get there. So overnight, or as of this moment, is a little bit short. So depending when we start, but let's say that we start around this area. If we find some weakness, then I would like to see responsive buyers here, or initiative buyers, I don't know. But I want to get long here if I get the opportunity. I'm not sure about the stops, because I like also this area and slightly here, so maybe like stops just below there. Yeah, or entering after we get higher and stops below daily lows. That would be more prudent. I have to think this through, a whole approach to stop loss. So another possibility is like we treat this area as potential balance. So if we trade higher early on and maybe make an attempt higher that fails, I would short the market for rotational trade back to this area. And if we start building acceptance within previous days range, so something like this, then I would like to enter short against this high to get us back through back to value area low, so around this trade around this range. So first there are three, maybe two balance zones. One is this one and the other one is here, and I would trade rotational within them. I'm not sure about trend day up, but if we get higher, of course I have to think of value. I was really biased yesterday, and it was because of the frustration, but now if we start printing higher, then the best way would be to mimic yesterday's scenario. So early attempt lower and then potential trend day up. If we get too extended, then there will be some time for digestion and potential squeeze later on. So similar scenario is also for today on possible. So if we start printing value higher, then of course I would be more inclined to play with value, but I think I should be more careful with my trades today.